Greetings. Welcome to the Lab 1 video walkthrough. This lab, you have your lab assignment on the course site in e-learning. It's based off of exercise 17 in chapter 2 of the book. Make sure to use the Visual Studio IDE to create this so that you get the benefits of the IDE as you write your program and document it. But for Lab 1, our output will be a console application. So one of the differences here, and I'm going to go through the process. We first ask for the user's first name. They're going to place an order with us. We're going to create a sales invoice with the subtotal and tax and then total amount due. So we're going to ask them for their first name. So we go ahead and have that entered. Then we ask them for their last name, and we do that. Next we ask for the street address, city, and state. And finally the zip, because we need to generate the invoice. Now we're going to ask how many widgets they want to order. Now in the book they talk about the blenders. Choose your own company, choose your own product. My company sells widgets, so I am going to order 5 widgets. Order as many as I want, but I'm going to order 5. Once I hit the return key, your enter key again, which I had to do on the first name, last name, address, city, and state, the invoice, sales invoice, will be created. There we go. I have a bit of formatting up there. Widgets incorporated. So a little bit of formatting. You can get somewhat creative on a console application. We'll be able to do more so once we move into the GUI environment. Here's my invoice number. This is different than in the exercise, but it's on the assignment. The invoices is created using the first initial of the first name, the whole last name, and then the number at the end is the number of characters in the first and last name combined. Okay, so you'll have to think about what methods or what properties you might use to do that. The ship to is all the information that the user entered, and then we have 5 widgets ordered at $39.95 each. That's the amount that's in the book. Just keep it $39.95. Whatever it is you're selling, that's what each item costs. We have our total. So we have to perform some arithmetic there, and we have tax on that, and the book tells you how to do the tax. The tax is the same all the time, no matter what, so certain type of way to do that. Remember, we have ways to do that in programming. And then we have due, right, our total plus our tax. And then at the end, press any key to continue. And we do, the program will end, but we can of course run it again as many times as we want. So there's our Lab 1 walkthrough. Please look at it as many times as you need to. Ask questions in class. Ask questions on the discussion area and e-learning. And good luck with this, and please feel free to ask me questions as you encounter them.